things we required: two RJ45 connectors, one piece of Cat6 cable, one wire stripper, and one is Cat6 crimping tool. And remember, this is containing sharper blade. While you are using, be careful. And here is the option for wire stripping also. So through the help of this, we can remove the layer of Cat6 cable, upper layer of Cat6 cable. So how to do that? I'm just starting with, I'm taking the cable and I'm keeping on that crimping tool. I'm just given light pressure and rotated it. And after that, we need to twist that cable. It automatically, it will break and upper layer is removed. And then you need to separate this plastic sleeve and then a plastic support layer, and then there will be one thread also will be there. You need to remove this. To remove this, use the help of wire stripper. It will be easier to cut these extra things and remove this plastic also. Now you need to do straighten to this cable, and you need to pull this upper layer little bit towards sleeved side. So the cable, the extra things which is there, it should go inside. It should look like this. Now what you need to do, you need to untwist all this cable with from pairs to single. As I am doing in video, just follow this step. Now it's time to do the straightening with along with color coding. Color coding is like everyone is using B side. The color coding which is mostly used in all universally, which is orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, and brown. If you want, you can take a snapshot also, or else you can see in my screen. We need to level it and cut it that extra wires. So this is the size which is I required. So it's just like half inch or little more, that's it. And we need to cut it down. So it should look like this. It should be evenly cutted. After that, take this RJ45 connector, and if you see, the metal piece should come top, you should hold like I have shown. The metal pin should show on top. So after that, you need to gradually enter all this cable so it will fix properly. Now you need to assure every cable is entered till end. If you see, the sleeve is went inside, and then we need to check other side also. There should not be any mistake. If you see inside, the wire is entered fully, and then if you see here also, all the cables has been entered till end. Now it's time to take a crimping tool. In crimping tool, you need to enter in 8-pin place. As I am showing, you need to take crimping tool, enter this RJ45 connector which is connected with wire. you need to insert in this hole. Okay. After this, enter it, insert it. Now, if you look at this all the dents of crimping tool is pointing equally to that crimping and that RJ45 connector pin. Now, what you have to do, you have to press gradually to lock this. Once you press this, if you see all the pins has been inserted and it all and your Cat 6 cable has been locked. Now our Cat 6 cable is ready. This is the same thing you have to do it other end also, and your RJ45 cable is patch cable is ready. That's it friends. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you.